Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching 5 Minute Learning, and in this video I am gonna show you how to write an application for readmission. So let's get started. Application for readmission. To the principal, Islamabad College for Boys, Islamabad. Sir, I beg most respectfully to state that my name has been struck off the register. I could not pay up my school fees for the month of October. The cause of non-payment of my school fee is the hardship of my father. May I therefore pray and hope that you would be kind enough to pass orders for my readmission of usual fees only. Yours obediently, XYZ. Thank you for watching. If you like my content and want to support the channel, please think about subscribing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.